it's Ronnie, and I'm joining MK, Janet, and I think Darla's playing along too with Kit Conspiracy. I had the collection they've been using this week, and I thought, I could do a couple layouts. I have at least 4 photos, so I thought, sure, I can get a couple done. Well, then life set in, and I didn't get none of this ready till now. I pulled out a couple of stencils, well, 3 I think, and like adventure, explore, these kind, and the fish, yes, the fish, and a bunch of dies. Oh my goodness, I could not find this die, so I thought I'd check the last collection. I remembered using it, and I had these cut out in there, but the die wasn't in there. Yeah, I don't know what I've done with it. And I pulled this one out just in case I needed some fishnet. And this is the one I bought that time that was so disappointed in how small it was. I don't know why I didn't read it. Surely it had it somewhere on there how small it was. And this is Explore, Enjoy the Journey, Expedition, things like that. And then I have a die for the compass. And this is Quick Cuts, and I had this, so I can use it. And then I noticed this. I pulled it out for this, but I noticed this, so I can use that too. And then I had these, so I thought I would use this, and maybe this, I might have to hand cut something, and maybe make a pirate, maybe. And yeah, I'm so far behind now. Yeah, I just could not get in here. And this was, my friend Kimberly sent me a link for place going out of business, and it's Cherry Lynn Designs, I guess. I guess it was going out of business, because this was just $1. And I thought, I have some pirate layouts, and I've used it once, I think, or twice. But yeah, I thought, it'll work on the pirates. And then I pulled out some firm in case I decided to use that. And this is so cute. Ella Connor sent this to me, and it's parchment. And I've used it, but I'm so glad I might be able to use it again. And I got this a while back, maybe last summer, spring. It might be a year old. I have yet to use it, and it's an octopus. And if I don't use it on here, I bought it for some aquarium ones though. And I thought, oh, I am definitely going to use it. But it does have a corner one too, so I might use that. Well, if I can get it back in there where I had it. And then I have scraps. Most of this is from Neverland, Echo Park, I think it is. Let me feel of it. Yeah, I think it's Echo Park Neverland. But some of it's just odds and ends I'd put in here thinking I would use it. I put it in my pirate stuff. Y'all might remember these. I brought them out just, well, it was in the pirate stuff. I didn't just bring them out. But yeah, I might get 1 or 2 of them on there. Who knows? But I'm going to put it back in here because that's where I had it. But yeah. And then I've got these, they're thin. And I bought them. And they're old pirate stuff they got at the local scrapbook store. And yeah, I thought I might use some of these. This one, of course, you know, I love green, so it's kind of begging me to get used. And then here's the Lost in Neverland, what's left of it. I counted, and there's like 6 pages, but I got the brads. Oh my goodness. I put these over here and didn't bring out. I put these thinking I might use them. And then I had this. This is all I bought from this collection. I do have 1 sheet of paper I have never used, but it was accidentally sent to me, and they let me keep it rather than send it back. So I was glad. And then they gave me credit for the one I didn't get. So I was glad for that. And here's the Lost in Neverland. And this is the stickers I have left so far. And then this is gorgeous. And this one has pirates and lost boys and I think Tinkerbell might be on there. And this one's feathers. And there's Peter Pan. I do have one that has a pirate and that has Tinkerbell on it. Plus my great niece. And here's a 4x6 and this gorgeous star one. And here's a cloudy night. And then these are stars, which is awesome. And then, well, that went on the floor. And then this green one and some more 4x6s. And then this one. And it has a treasure map. And then, I'm not going to show these because if you've been watching their videos, it has everything on there. And if you haven't been, I'll have a link down there so you can watch theirs. But yeah, this is the same as, I think they have these, I think. I can't guarantee it. But here is those. But yeah, I haven't touched it. I've had it probably a year or more. Maybe longer. Yeah, I've had it a while. So I thought I will get in on this, which may just be a day or two because I think it's almost over. But yeah, hopefully I will actually have a layout. Yeah. I mean, all this was piled here. I just never got this little video done, nor touched the layout. But on with the layout. Bye.